Okay, we're going to show you how to add a golfer into League Golfer. Again, we showed you how to go to the league. We're going to go to the training league here. Here's the training league. Now, I want to add a golfer, so I have to go to settings. Now, once we go into settings, there's all these other menu items here, but right here we're working with here. Add update golfer. So again, it was basic settings, add update golfer. Easy as that. I'm right here now. Now I can add a new golfer. Larry Johnson. It's just a name that popped in my head. Larry's a male. You'll want to add their email address. That way they can get an account set up for themselves. We're just making one up here. Larry Johnson at Gmail, but it might really be one like that, so I'm not going to put that in there. And then add new golfer. So we've just added a new golfer. Easy as that. Any questions? Let us know.